The sore throat started on Wednesday. At first, it was just a tickle, then it hurt to swallow. And by Thursday night, I was whispering like some low budget movie villain. I drank tea with honey, gargled with baking soda, and pretended it was getting better. It wasn't. Friday morning, I woke up with fever and realized I couldn't tough it out any longer. I had to make a doctor's appointment. I pulled out my phone and dialed a clinic number. A clinic? The line rang forever, and I was already hoping nobody would pick up. But someone did. A woman's voice on the other, and said something fast and official. I froze for a second because I've always been terrible at explaining things over the phone. I told her my throat hurt. My throat hurts, and I had a fever, and I have a fever. She asked for my insurance policy number. I gave it to her, messing up the digits twice. She sighed and booked me for the earliest slot. Tomorrow, 11 in the morning. I said thanks, hung up, and let out a breath. First step done. The next morning I got ready to head to the clinic. My fever had gone down a little, but my throat still felt like sandpaper. I threw on my warmest sweatshirt, grabbed my ID and insurance card, and walked out the door. It was drizzling outside, gray and fine. I pulled my hood up and walked fast. The clinic was a 10-minute walk away. I walked in and immediately hit a line at the coat check. A cloakroom. An older woman behind the counter took my jacket and handed me a little number tag. I shoved it in my pocket and went looking for the doctor's office. The office I needed was on the second floor. Stairs. Hallway. That distinct smell of medicine and bleach. There were a few chairs lined up by the door. 2 people were already sitting there. I lowered myself into an empty chair and got ready to wait. Waiting in a doctor's office is its own special thing. Time stretches out slow like molasses. I stared at the door and ran through the words in my head. Throat, cough, fever. I wanted to get it right the first time. A nurse poked her head out and called my name. I stood up on shaky legs and walked in. The room was small and bright. The doctor sat at a desk, a woman in her 50s with a tired but attentive face. She motioned to the chair and I sat down. What seems to be the problem? I started talking. My throat had been hurting for 3 days. It hurts when I swallow. My fever had been 101. The doctor nodded and asked me to open my mouth. She grabbed a wooden tongue depressor and pressed down on my tongue. I tried to breathe steadily. She looked at my throat and said it was red with some white patches. Then she listened to my lungs. The cold stethoscope touched my back. Breathe in. Hold your breath. I followed the instructions like a soldier. Lungs are clear, she said. That was good news. Then she checked the lymph nodes in my neck. She pressed gently under my jaw and behind my ears. Slightly swollen, but nothing serious. She sat back down and started writing. Diagnosis, acute pharyngitis. Nothing too bad, but it needed treatment. She wrote out a prescription. 2 medications, a gargle solution and throat lozenges, and plenty of warm fluids. I thanked her, took the prescription, and walked out, a huge weight off my shoulders. After the clinic, I headed to the pharmacy. It was right across the street. The green cross above the entrance was lit up even during the day. I pushed the door open, and a little bell jingled. Inside it smelled like cough syrup and herbs. A woman in a white coat stood behind the counter. I handed her the prescription. She scanned the lines and nodded. A minute later, 2 boxes landed on the counter. A throat spray and antiseptic lozenges. She explained how to take them. The spray 3 times a day after meals. The lozenges every 3 hours. Just let them dissolve. I asked about side effects. The woman smiled and said there were hardly any, maybe just a little dry mouth. I paid in cash, picked up the small paper bag with my meds, and stepped outside. The rain had stopped, the sun was out, and the wet asphalt was shining. I walked home holding the bag and already felt almost healthy. Because when you have a treatment plan, being sick isn't nearly as scary. Back home, I took a pill right away and used a spray. The taste was minty, a little sharp. I made myself some chamomile tea and sank into the couch, wrapped in a blanket. Outside, the rain was starting up again, but I was warm. I put on some quiet music and closed my eyes. A couple of days later, my throat was fine. The fever never came back, and swallowing was easy again. I got back to my normal life, but with one big change. I wasn't afraid of going to the doctor anymore. I used to think it was so complicated. You need special words, you need to explain things, you need to not look stupid. But it turned out to be way simpler. Doctors are just regular people. They don't need perfect English or perfect pronunciation. They need to know where it hurts and how long it's been going on. Where does it hurt? How long has it been hurting? If you can answer those two questions, you've already got this. They'll handle the rest. Now I book my appointments without any fear. I know the words. I know how to describe the pain. Sharp or dull, constant or comes and goes. And most importantly, I know that asking for help is totally normal. It's not weakness. It's taking care of yourself. Take care of your health, friends, and don't put off going to the doctor if something's wrong. It's way better to hear it's nothing serious than to sit around guessing and freaking yourself out. Now I'm going to go make some tea. Chamomile with a spoonful of honey, because prevention matters too.